inside the new G20. This is the 7th generation for the 3 Series. This time I wanted to do more of a ride-along, hands-on, just kind of give it a more honest approach so you guys can get kind of the feel as best as you can without physically being here. So take notice, it definitely is a huge change with the 3 Series compared to the previous generations. They've done a really great job boosting the technology innovations, even the aesthetics of the seating. The standard sport seats, it's got Vernasca leather, it's quilted now. This is the M Sport model right now that we're in. It comes with the X line, the luxury line, and your M Sport. And we're pretty used to seeing that, so you can see all the changes with that across the dashboard. With this one, you have the option to have with the black, the M Sport stitching on here, and it's blue, which I think it's really nice. And then we have the Portimao blue metallic exterior in this one. This is kind of like a very deep blue, purpley color. It really stands out, and it's not too loud, but it definitely makes you notice when you see it on the road. So the display screens, we have 2 in here now. So it goes with the dash. We have the live cockpit professional. It's beautiful, so it's digital. There's no more of the analog features. If you want that, you can have that as standard, but I think most people are kind of seeking after this. Moving forward with that, you could do screen mirroring, Apple CarPlay, and then you can pair up to a total of 4 devices. But with the Wi-Fi hotspot, you can have up to 10 people, 10 devices connected. You have BMW Assist, so that's everything once we register you. All that will be included in there. Navigation, I've always loved BMW's navigation system. Voice commands work pretty well. Gesture controls, which is now in the 3 Series. It's very, very cool to have that. Kind of makes you more interactive with your car, and it's not only in just like more of the higher series of the vehicles about your car. So this is the fun part. You can get into like all the guts of your car and go through driving information, vehicle status, settings. You could create a driver profile now, which will set you up with your own avatar and everything. So it's really cool the way they have pushed the technology and made it like cater to, you know, all the new things that are up and coming. As you get to learn your vehicle, drive it, become acquainted with it, you'll notice that, okay, I like this, I want this to respond this certain way, and you can customize all that. So, for example, your driver assistance, your safety and warnings, frontal collision, you can set it for early, medium, or late, lane departure warning, the sensitivity, like all these things. If you want something to be more responsive, you have the choice to do that. Or if you're like, I feel like it tells me that too soon, it's very sensitive, you can set it for late or deactivate. It has the option for remote start. Like, oh my gosh. Yes, everybody just been waiting for this to happen. It came out first on the X5. It's here now on the 3 Series. And you can have with your Connected Drive. So if you don't know what that is, the Connected Drive app is something, it's an app that integrates you to your car. So you can access your car remotely on your phone, which is really nice to have. And you could do, you could set timers for your climate control. Say you get off from work at 5 o'clock, you can set all your settings up for 4:45, and your car will be ready for you when you have that command set up. And it's really nice. If nobody enters the cabin within 15 minutes, it deactivates that command, and you don't have to worry about, you know, your car running or things being on and all of a sudden you got a dead battery. The way things are moving now with the generation, with the way people's lifestyles are now, we need a lot of things. We're always on the go, and to have the convenience and have all of this, it's been demanded for a reason. A lot of people use a lot more than what we think they do. So it's our responsibility not to just give them the key and be like, learn it on your own, figure it out, because most people don't know all that's here to help them out and make it a good driving experience. So that's what we're here for, and we are more than happy to do so. We're gonna see this bad boy in action. We're gonna bust out the old drone and get some aerial view. We're gonna have some fun with it. I got my boys with me. Come along. everybody for joining me today. I'm BMW Heather. Come see me at BMW Crystal Lake. We have several 3 Series in our inventory. We'd love to show you. Come explore them with me. I'll dive into it with you guys, show you all the infotainment, technology. There's a lot to know about this vehicle. I'd be happy to meet with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.